joining me on one of the biggest days of the year, Intrams 2025. I am so excited to be here with my team, Team Unicorn. Later, we will be performing a seated dance, so wish us luck!
Guys, this is us before the competition of Seated Yam. A mess everywhere, oh my god. Hi guys, today was the third day of Intrams. Hi
Worth
guys,
it naman po siya sa 10 peso.
sponsored by Bukuhan sa School.
Paano magiging sponsor kung hindi mo guys?